Hey guys, Cyrus here from Talking Phones, and today we are looking at the Huawei Y5 Prime 2018. Now, Huawei has come up with the Y series of devices from the Y5 to the 7, Y9. They all are great devices for the budget friendly audience, and the one we have today is the Y5, and it comes in three different colors. It comes in blue, gold, and black. We have the blue version. Over here, and let's just get into the unboxing of the video. So, over here, guys, you can see that with this device you get free mobile internet from Zong. So they have a partnership going on with Zong. So when you buy a new Wi-Fi Prime, you'll get free Zong internet. So let's see what we get here. So this is your Zong advertisement slip, warranty cards, and other stuff. So of course you can see that the warranty you get is from Muller and Philips Pakistan. So this is the actual seal here. So if you don't have the seal, please be careful of not buying this, otherwise you won't get the warranty. The device is a 2 GB variant, and it comes with 16 GB ROM, which is internal memory. Other than that, this device has a full view display, and the battery is around 3020 milliamp. And of course, the front camera has a selfie toning flash with it as well. So just open the device. Okay, so let's open the seal from here. Seal from here. It's always tricky to open these boxes when they're brand new. So here you go, guys. So of course you have the phone. Before we get into the phone, let's see what else we get. So of course over here you have your SIM ejector tool. You get a protector with it, your instruction manual, headphone standard 3.5 millimeters, charging dock. So if you can see here, guys, the charge is a 5 watt 0.2 amp charger. This does not have quick charge, but with the budget friendly device in mind, that's okay. Here you have your USB 2.0 cable. Yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. So put this aside. So let's open the device. Okay, so guys, here you can see that, well, the device is quite light though. So Huawei full view display, 3002 milliamp battery, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM, and of course a self-toning flash. Let's open it, shall we? So here you can see, guys, that it's a full view display, which is 18:9 ratio. With this is the standard for 2018 devices. When you talk about the display of the device, though, the display is a 720p display. And let's remove this as well. So the back of the device is, you guys see, it's the blue variant, and this is one of the best colors they have. Well, of course, if you go on the high-end devices, they have many more cool colors, but Huawei is always known for having cool colors for their phone. So at the back you have your standard 13 megapixel camera, which records full HD videos as well. On the front you'll find a 5 megapixel shooter, with of course you have a self-toning flash with it. On the bottom of the device you'll find that it has your standard USB 2.0 port, your mic, and what you can see here is that the 3.5mm jack is at the top. On the other side of the device, you find the SIM slot and the memory card. It also has a dedicated memory card slot in it, so you can house up to 256 GB of storage if you'd like. So of course you can hold your pictures and videos, etc. Internally, this device comes with 16 GB of storage. So let's just open the device. So you have your standard Huawei operating system opening. It's powered by Android, of course. Now the phone itself, this device, when you talk about the software, it comes with Android 8.1 OREO, which is the latest ROM so far by Android. And of course this will be upgraded to Android P, or we hope it does. From the power point of view, the device it houses a quad-core 5 GHz processor, and of course it's a MediaTek processor and powered by a PowerVR GPU. And it has your all the usual bells and whistles. It runs on Huawei's own EMUI skin, which Huawei likes to put on all its devices. Skip, agree, later, agree. Let's just quickly go through this. So here you go guys. This is the Huawei Y5 Prime, and while it boots up, you can see the brightness of the display as well. Even though it's a 720p display, it's quite bright. Even I don't know if you can see it properly, but the display itself is quite bright. And even though it's on half, so if you can increase it, it gets even brighter. So just put it down. Yeah, so the device has booted up properly now, and let's just put it down a bit so you guys can see it properly. So of course it runs on Huawei's own EMUI. Your general settings menu, so of course if you go in the system about phone, so here you get your basic specs: 8.1 Android version, 2 GB RAM, octa-core processor, 16 GB internal memory, 720 processor. So I think that's about it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please click on the like button below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. We'll be putting up many more videos for the new devices which we have recently got, so you are in for a treat. Until next time guys, take care, bye bye.